Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix a lag in Roblox. So which means if you are having issue of lag in your Roblox game, then how you can fix that. There are three kind of lags available in Roblox. The first one is the network lag, which may be due to your network connection, which means if you are not connected to a strong internet connection or 4G connection, or your Wi-Fi connection is weak, then you can experience this kind of lag in your Roblox. And the second one is the graphics lag, which means your device is not supporting the graphics of Roblox. Then what you have to do, you have to simply setting graphics to low on your Roblox mobile. And the third one is the system lag, which means it may be due to system error in the Roblox, and you have to wait for some time so that it can be removed. And these are the some important lags. Now if you want to simply fix that lag, there are some steps you can do. First of all, the first step is you can simply, if you are using Roblox on mobile, then what you have to do, you have to simply open the setting of the app. And if you are using iPhone or iOS device, what you have to do, you have to simply offload the app. And if you are using Android device, you have to simply force stop the app. And after that, you have to simply clear the cache, and you have to check whether that lag has gone or not. If it is still there, you have to simply clear the storage also, and you have to do all your settings in Roblox again. Moreover, you can also check your connection and graphics setting on Roblox so that you can simply avoid these lags on Roblox. Hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.